Alright, welcome back to another video. Now I'm in the car, like I said. A bit different to the bike this. Quite a lot different actually. So I'm just gonna do an update video basically. But, yeah. So it's raining a bit. The brakes are a bit shit in the rain. Alright, never mind. So I said I'd put a video up on the 6th of May, but it's now like, I think it's the 9th. But I've just been wanting to get used to the car really before I started whipping out the GoPro and stuff. I don't know what the camera angle's like. I have got a holder on the window. I don't know if it's recording or not. Should be. So yeah, I've been driving 3 days. I got it on Saturday, it's now Tuesday. So it's my 4th day driving. And I feel very confident with it. I'm enjoying driving quite a lot. So I've already done about 500 miles in 3 days. That's just because, you know, my mates have been wanting to go out places. It's quite... So I've been all over the place really. I haven't really ventured too far away. So I live in Blackburn and the farthest I've gone was Burnley. So, if anyone knows where that is. So I used to go down here on the motorbike, and I went down here once on the moped before I sold it. So the car I've got is a 1.2 Fiat Punto 2012 model. It's a 5-door and it's really nice, it's comfortable. I've just had a new tyre put on today and I've bought a spare tyre just in case anything happens. So that's cost me 80 quid so far. The car doesn't like going up this hill down here, so see how well it does. It's weird going out in the rain and not getting wet. Like, it was raining and I was like, oh, I can't go out, it's raining. And then I was like, oh shit, no, I can go out because I'm in a car. So I'm used to like going out and then getting wet in rain, but obviously I can stay dry now. So that's quite good. It's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. The black box needs to get fitted as well. That's still not on. I think that's getting fitted next weekend. Or next Tuesday I think. So a week today. So I haven't actually been on the road in 9 months, so it's quite good to be back on the road. Like, I couldn't just go Mackey's whenever I wanted, or KFC or anything, or just go to my mates. I had to like get the bus, and obviously no one goes like McDonald's or KFC on their own bus, do they? So, but you can do when you've got a car. There's nothing wrong with it. So I've missed doing that, really. It's a lot faster than the 125. I was expecting it to be slower than the 125, seeing as the 125's a lot lighter. But no, it's a lot quicker. Surprisingly, it's a lot more fun as well, especially going down these roads. I feel a lot safer driving this than the bike. I feel like the car can handle this. I didn't feel like the bike could really handle that, going down really fast down these roads. I always felt on edge, but in the car, I feel fine, absolutely fine. So I've already picked up like half my family. My mum thinks I'm way too confident to say I've only been driving like 2 days, because when she got in it, I was only driving for 2 days. So she was like, "You're way too confident." But I haven't driven in 3 months, because I passed my test in February. It's now May. It's 3 months where I haven't driven. So it was quite weird to get in the car and just drive again without like an instructor or anything like that. So yeah, that's been quite fun. I'm still using the same like sort of thing I used for my motorvlogs, where I used my phone to record audio through the Apple headphones and then used the GoPro. I'm still doing that, so I don't know how well it is. Should be okay, seeing as I'm in a car, so there's no wind noise. I still do miss the motorbike, like especially when it's been really sunny over these past few days. It's first day it started raining. I really have missed the bike, especially like going into McDonald's and seeing all bikers out in the sun. It really does make me miss the motorbike, but it's not bothering me too much because I'm on the road. I think before, it just bothered me where I went on the road. I hate this road. But now I'm on the road, it's not bothering me as much. Like, obviously going from having 2 mopeds and a motorbike for like a year and a half, going back to buses, it was a struggle. I really didn't like it at all. I just missed my motorbikes. So I don't need to get the bus anymore, hopefully. Well, hopefully if this doesn't break down or anything. It should be okay. It's 2012 Fiat Punto. It's only done 55,000. I bought it at 54. I bought it in March, a month after passing my test, and then I had to wait 6 weeks to drive it, because I was going to wait until I'm 18, so then I can get the cheaper insurance. I think it was pretty smart to do that. Like, I could have rushed into it, start getting on the road 6 weeks ago, but I've got cheaper insurance now, and I can take it out on myself, rather than my mum taking out the credit and me paying her back every month. Someone else who's just passed. Pass buddies. Oh. Well, these aren't very confident, are they? Oh shit. Put it in gear 4. There's things falling about in the back of the car. I don't think it's the spare wheel. I think it's the stuff I took out the boot. Because it's been my birthday, my work got me some stuff for my birthday. Which was very nice of them. They got me like a bucket, sponge, stuff like that, so I could wash the car. And it's just all falling about in the back of the car. So I don't know where else to put it. I could put it in my room, but just keep it in the car, I don't know. I thought it would be better to keep it in the car. I don't know how long I've been recording for. 11 minutes. Not bad. So what I've done is I've got like an aux cable, but because I've got an iPhone 7, I don't have an aux on this iPhone 7, so I've had to get like a cable that goes from an aux to like an iPhone 7 thing. It's also got like 2 ends on it, so you can plug it into like an aux or an iPhone 7. And then I've also got one of them splitters, so you can charge and listen to music on the same time on an iPhone 7. So there's quite a lot of wires. I've thrown them all on the floor at the minute. So I'm going to drive down to where I crashed the motorbike, and it's just down this road. Bloody hell. Oh, this is a school. I didn't go to the school. I know someone that does though. I don't know what the speed limit is. I'm just going to stick it for. I think that's the national speed limit sign. Yeah. The GoPro's making quite a lot of noise, and now it's looking at it like it's at an angle. So sorry about that if it's on an angle. But it's only the first video. I can improve on the second one. I don't know where else to put the GoPro though. It's a bit awkward. I remember coming down these roads on my motorbike in the sun before it all ended. But I came down here first, and then I turned round and came back down, and then on the way back down, that's where I crashed. This is Brockhall Village, it's a posh village. Hence why the Range Rover's just pulled in. I remember I used to like flight down here on motorbike. It's just down here where I crashed. Shit, wrong gate. Yep, it's just here where I crashed. Wonder if the hole's still there. I don't actually think it was here. I think it might be a bit further down. Oh yeah, it's here. That's where I crashed, right there. I don't know why my phone's just come on. Might be running out of space. So anyway guys, I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one guys. Peace out.